For best exercises to lose belly fat. Hiit workout. How to do it. Lie on the mat, get on your knees, and place your feet on the floor. Put your thumb behind each ear. Hold the back of your head with the remaining fingers. Raise your head down. This is the first place. Start the movement by bending and trying to reach your knees with your head. Go back to the starting point. Make sure you inhale as you exhale and exhale as you descend. Do 2 sets of 12 repetitions. Bike crunches workout. How to do it. Lie on the mat, get on your knees, and raise your feet to the floor. Put your thumb behind each ear. Hold the back of your head with the remaining fingers. Raise your head down. This is the first place. Push your left leg down and stretch it straight. At the same time, wrap yourself up and turn to your right. Try touching your left elbow with your right knee. Turn down and return your left leg to a curved area. Do the same with the other leg. Do 2 sets of 12 repetitions. Take a break for 10 seconds before doing the next activity. Half-seated reverse crunch workout. How to do it. Sit on the mat, bend your knees, and place your feet on the floor. Focus on the back and support your body on your elbows. This is the first place. Raise both your legs down and bring your knees closer to your nose. Slowly, lower your legs to the starting position. Do 3 sets of 15 repetitions. Sitting workout. How to do it. Lie on the mat, bend your knees, and place your heels on the mat. Insert your spine and place your hands behind your head. Lift your head and shoulders down and look up at the ceiling. This is the first place. Use your core strength to lift your body off the floor and reach your seat. Go back to the starting point a little bit. Do 2 sets of 12 repetitions. Thank you for watching and subscribes my channel.